Welcome to Hot and Delicious. Today I will be showing you how to make octopus. Our ingredients: we have 4.5 pounds of octopus, olive oil, tomato sauce, onion, chopped garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, and cumin. First we're going to put the octopus in hot water for 2 minutes. Now we are going to put the onion and garlic in the bottom. And the octopus on top. And now we're going to put the spices too, on top of the octopus. And the sauce. Now we're going to put a little bit of olive oil and then cover the whole thing with aluminum foil. And then after we put the aluminum foil, we're going to put it inside the oven for 1.5 hours. Out of the oven, we're going to serve it with some white rice. Thank you for watching Hot and Delicious. We'll see you next time.